Hello and welcome back to my channel. For this design, I took inspiration from two different sets my client found on Pinterest. I'll attach them here at the beginning of the video. I've already filed down her previous set and I've prepped her nails. And now I'm going in with blue ice from Amore on her pinky fingers. And then on her middle finger, I'm going halfway up the nail and then blending it. I'll be taking that same color and also applying it on her index fingers. Now for the swirl design. Here I'm taking Elite Black and putting two lines on her nail and curing in between each color that I use. Now I'm going in with blue ice as well. As you can see, I'm just surrounding the two black lines that I initially put down with the blue color. Taking Princess Pink from Amore, and I'm doing the same technique. Really, there's no perfect way to do this. Just kind of put the color down wherever you think and it will all come together. Just to continue, here I'm using Elite Whites, and then I'll move on to Stone Age from Amore, and then I'll be going back in with blue ice. Once the whole nail has color on it, I'll be fully curing it, and then applying a thin layer of Crystal Sculpt and applying an iridescent loose glitter. I'm taking a glitter mix from Glitter Heaven Australia and moving it halfway down the nail plate from the cuticle on the pinky, and I'll also be applying a full nail of this glitter on her thumbs. Once the color and glitter is fully cured, I'll be encapsulating all 10 nails with Crystal Sculpt from Amore. I'll be alternating fingers, curing them for 30 seconds in between, and then a full 2 minutes. I filed off camera for this set, and in the next clip, you'll see me starting on the design. Unfortunately, My camera shut off and I lost a little bit of footage, but I used a dotting tool to place Elite Yellow in the middle of the nail, and now I'm using Elite White with a thin detail tailor brush from Ugly Duckling Nails to create some little daisy petals around the yellow dot. Now I'm taking Elite Black with that same brush, drawing a straight line across the nail, and then I'll be creating little petals to create this vine design. The ombre nail on the middle finger of this set I encapsulated with Cachet Pink Worm and a little bit of crystal sculpt as well, and I'll be applying some crystals on that nail shortly. I'm using the crystal tool from Ugly Duckling and some Stick-It as well from their company to apply my crystals. I love this crystal gel, but I also recently tried the gem gel from Fat Cat Claws, and it's very similar and quite a bit cheaper, so check that out as well. Once I'm happy with my crystal placement, I'll be curing that nail for a full 2 minutes and then applying Fat Cat Claws No Wipe Shine Top Coat on all 10 nails. I hope you guys enjoyed this set. Thank you for watching my tutorial. We'll see you next time.